So y'all, I've been having these ice cream cones legit since like January. So we're gonna see if we can make a wreath and put that in it. Y'all, we're also gonna try doing it on the Unique in the Creek board. All right. So y'all, all I want is whenever we're done making our wreath, if a little bitty glimpse of the middle of our board shows, then it's not gray. All right, let's get our zip ties on here. So we're gonna put one zip tie in every other twist around the inside. All right, so we're gonna have 8 twists around the inside and 8 around the outside. All right, now we're gonna do every other one around the outside. All right, so we're gonna fold it down. We're gonna fold in the outside edges, and then we're just gonna crunch it right up the middle. Y'all, so tonight we're making a 10-inch poofs with 21-inch mesh. All right, let's get this. All right, so measuring out to 10. See, I'm thinking our poofs are going to cover enough of that center where all we're gonna see is a little bitty pink dot in there, if we see anything once we're done. So because we're gonna use 2 mesh, we're gonna need 4 of each at 20 and 4 of each at 30. All right, let's get our 30-inch. We're gonna take a curl and a curl, ruffle right down the middle. And then I'm gonna add all of these face up around the outside. All right, I'm gonna alternate colors. So if you have a regular wreath frame, you can do this same process. You're just gonna have a different number of ruffles. All right, so that is our 30-inch ruffle all the way around the outside and our 10-inch poofs on the inside. Now we're gonna take our 20-inch ruffle and add it right on the inside. Y'all, using your scrap 21-inch mesh for this project is really cool because number one, you just have it laying around. Number two, it just adds that little extra touch of character. So there's our base, nice and full. There's just that little bitty spot right in the middle that you can still see. So making your vinyl circle at 5.5 inches lets you get 4 cuts out of one 12 by 12 sheet. And it's perfect. Y'all, we're gonna get the ice cream cone in here. Y'all, to match the random red cherry on the top, I am going to put a little red center in my bow. So these colors individually don't look good together. They don't really look good together all mixed in, but we're going to tie them all together. Let's start by making a giant bow. All right, so we're going to measure out about a 12-inch tail. Gonna measure out about 7 inches. Gonna throw a little bit of blue in there. All right, last one is our little cherry on the top. To match the cherry on our ice cream. All right, got my pipe cleaner. Get this nice and tight. All right, look at our crazy colors. So we're gonna add our bow on this side. Y'all, trying to get that pipe cleaner through. All right, y'all, let's figure out how we're gonna get this thing attached. I think I want it right here. All right, I'm gonna use my pick machine because it puts a nice little metal pick on there and makes it All right, so we're going to put one there, and I'm going to get one towards the bottom. We have to get our pipe cleaner in that little hole. All right, let's trim our bottom ones. So y'all, I did not use this pink glitter in the actual bow, but it's the one that matches the blue one. So I'm going to use it in the ribbon tails. All right, 1, 2, 3. Let's start with 4. The tails are 13 inches. Yo, I'm going to put the blue and pink in the burlap twist, and this one in the pink. All right. Fold it. And we're just adding these to the twist ties all the way around. Y'all, also, as we tie off our ribbon, we are using our scissors to just trim those pipe cleaners down. All right, y'all, we got it done. Let's add our hanger. All right, so we got it ready to hang.